You can expect a lot from the 2017 Ford Mustang.
This two-door, four-passenger coupe provides a satisfying ride for all passengers.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive.
Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy.
Ford prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by variably intermittent wipers,
Power front seats,
and one-touch window functionality.
With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS.
Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.